Hello and welcome. Let's learn how to apply conditional formatting on numbers. And for that, we are going to use this particular sales report. Let's first have a look at the simple options available to format numbers. We'll select these 10 cells for example purpose. We'll click on conditional formatting and first see what options we have under highlight cells rule. So first four options are greater than, less than, between and equal to. Of course, these you can use for numbers. Let's try this particular option and it presents us with this window. We can put the number, we'll say the number greater than 10,000. So the sale value which is greater than 10,000 should be highlighted, and we have a pre-formatted options. So we'll stick with the red color and click OK. So there you see the numbers which are greater than 10,000 are highlighted. Now let's say you want to add additional rule here and we want to find the numbers which are between 5,000 and 10,000. So the previous rule was for those which were greater than 10,000. Now we will highlight between 5,000 and 10,000. When you write the formula for between 5,000 and 10,000, both these numbers get included. Okay, so let's select instead of red, green color here so that we can differentiate between the two rules. So those between 5 to 10 are highlighted in green and greater than 10 are highlighted in red. So this is how you can quickly have visual analysis or visual alert of certain criteria that you want to apply on numbers. Let's see something more. I'm going to clear the rule, and this time I'm going to select clear rules from selected cells so that the rest of the rules on the sheet does not get cleared. And we will go to the second option, which is top and bottom rule. So let's see what does it have. Top 10 items. Now although the title says top 10 items, you can actually change the number of items you want to pick. Since these are only 10 items, all the 10 items are highlighted. Let's bring this down to 5. So we have now chosen top 5 items, and in terms of value it will pick the top 5 values in this particular range. Let's cancel this and we will see what is the next option in top bottom rule. Top 10%. Now here you have to understand how this works. Top 10% means top 10% of number of items, not in terms of values. So if you see, when I have highlighted this range, you know that we get certain figures in the status bar below here. So the sum of these numbers here is $133,000, and this 10% of that is definitely not 34,000. So what does this give? It gives you 10% of the number of items in this. So 10% of 10 items is 1, and that's why it has given you only one figure highlighted, and that is the topmost figure in the range. We will see as you go on increasing, you will see the effect over here. Now 20% of 10 is going to be 2. So till we reach 20 over here, nothing is going to change, because only when you reach 20, the second item will get highlighted. So we are on 16 right now, 17, 18, 19. It has not changed. And as we go to 20, you will see the second item has popped up. So basically the percentage highlighting refers to the percentage of number of cells and not in terms of values. Alright, so let me cancel this and see what else do we have. Similarly, you have bottom 10 items and bottom 10 percentage, above average and below average.